Unlock the power of papaya leaves for optimal well-being. Hello respectable viewers. Welcome to Healthism. Today, we're diving into the world of papaya leaves, nature's hidden gem for optimal well-being. From ancient traditions to cutting-edge research, join us on a quick exploration of the power packed into those vibrant green leaves. Ready to unlock the secrets of the papaya tree? Let's roll. Please comment on their experiences with this video or to suggest what you should cover next. Background of papaya leaves. Papaya, scientifically known as Carica papaya, is a tropical fruit widely recognized for its delicious taste and numerous health benefits. While the fruit is commonly consumed, the leaves of the papaya tree have gained attention for their potential health-promoting properties. Historical uses. Throughout history, various cultures have utilized papaya leaves for medicinal purposes. The knowledge of these uses has been passed down through generations, contributing to the rich tapestry of traditional medicine. Significance of papaya leaves in traditional medicine. Papaya leaves hold a special place in traditional healing systems such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. These systems recognize the plant's ability to address a range of health concerns, from digestive issues to immune system support. Nutritional composition of papaya leaves. Essential vitamins and minerals. Papaya leaves are a rich source of essential vitamins, including A, C, and E, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Understanding the nutritional content is crucial in unlocking the full potential of papaya leaves for optimal well-being. Enzymes and phytochemicals. Enzymes such as papain and chymopapain are key components of papaya leaves, contributing to their digestive and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, the presence of phytochemicals enhances the leaves' overall therapeutic potential. Antioxidant properties. Papaya leaves boast powerful antioxidant compounds that play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals in the body. These antioxidants contribute to overall health by protecting cells from oxidative stress. Health benefits of papaya leaves. Immune system boost. Research suggests that papaya leaves may stimulate the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to defend against infections and illnesses. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of papaya leaves make them a potential remedy for conditions characterized by inflammation, such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Digestive health. Enzymes like papain aid in digestion, promoting a healthy gut environment and potentially alleviating digestive issues like bloating and indigestion. Liver detoxification. Papaya leaves are believed to support liver health by assisting in detoxification processes. This is particularly significant in the modern world, where exposure to environmental toxins is common. Blood platelet regulation. Studies suggest that papaya leaves may play a role in regulating blood platelet counts, offering a natural alternative for those at risk of platelet-related disorders. Emerging research explores the potential anti-cancer properties of papaya leaves, focusing on their ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Papaya leaves in traditional medicine. Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, papaya leaves are considered valuable for balancing the doshas and addressing specific health imbalances. Traditional Ayurvedic formulations incorporating papaya leaves are explored for their holistic health benefits. Traditional Chinese medicine. TCM recognizes the cooling properties of papaya leaves and their potential to address conditions related to heat and inflammation. Herbal formulations in TCM often incorporate papaya leaves for their therapeutic effects. Indigenous healing practices. Various indigenous communities have their own unique ways of using papaya leaves in healing rituals and remedies. Understanding these practices provides insights into the cultural significance of papaya leaves. Modern scientific research on papaya leaves. Antimicrobial properties. Research has demonstrated the antimicrobial effects of papaya leaves, showcasing their potential in fighting against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Antiviral effects. The antiviral properties of papaya leaves have been investigated, with a focus on their ability to inhibit the replication of certain viruses. Antidiabetic potential. Studies explore the impact of papaya leaves on blood sugar levels, suggesting a potential role in managing diabetes. Cardiovascular health benefits. Papaya leaves may contribute to cardiovascular health by promoting healthy blood pressure levels and reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Methods of consuming papaya leaves. Fresh papaya leaf juice. Freshly extracted papaya leaf juice is a popular method of consumption, offering a concentrated dose of the leaves' beneficial compounds. Papaya leaf extracts. Commercially available papaya leaf extracts provide a convenient way to incorporate the benefits of papaya leaves into one's daily routine. Papaya leaf tea. Papaya leaf tea is gaining popularity as a soothing and health-promoting beverage, providing a milder alternative to concentrated extracts. Incorporating papaya leaves into recipes. Creative culinary uses of papaya leaves in recipes can enhance the nutritional content of meals while adding a unique flavor profile. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of papaya leaves, we hope you've gained insights into the incredible benefits these leaves can offer. Nature has a way of surprising us, and the papaya tree is no exception. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on holistic well-being. Remember, the power of papaya leaves is just a step away from your reach. Wishing you health, happiness, and a life filled with the vitality that nature generously provides. Until next time, take care and stay well. Thank you for joining us on this green adventure.